is our Tusked Crescent everyday carry pouch, a leather two-compartment pouch that we've designed to enable you to carry your everyday essentials, tools, stationery and wallet items. We've constructed it out of a quality, supple cowhide. It's very well stitched to enable a lifetime of everyday use. Let's take a look at the kinds of contents it can carry. This is the main compartment. As you can see, we've constructed it with a L-shaped zipper to enable easy access to contents. That can include items such as this folder, the Gerber Fast Draw Tanto, a pen, here's the classic Fisher bullet pen, a flashlight, a Streamlight micro stream, small items like this pry bar, and multi-tools. This is the Leatherman Squirt PS4. And there's room for other items here and in the second compartment in the back. We've constructed this to be compact and pocketable, so you can keep these essentials in one place safely and comfortably in your pocket.